Redbubble are rapidly closing people's accounts. I'm going to be getting into this in this video, telling you guys how you could potentially get your accounts back, what you can do in this time whilst Redbubble is doing this to, one, avoid getting your account getting suspended, and two, to still allow you to upload designs in other places to potentially still get sales and still make money. So please drop a like if you're ready for that, and stay tuned to the end of this video because there's a lot of information I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this one. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name's Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks. Today I'm not even going to go through the intro properly as I usually do because I really do need to jump into this one because I'm understanding a lot of you guys are currently at risk and I want to be able to help you solve that and to help you protect yourself and potentially to also help you guys take your account and get your accounts back if your accounts have been closed. If you are new to the channel and you've never seen me before, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells as I'll make videos like this if there's ever anything wrong, just to keep you guys updated alongside the other Redbubble tips and tricks and print on demand videos I'll be doing. Nevertheless, the main issue, like I said, is the fact that Redbubble has been closing people's accounts recently. So this video is pretty much about how to avoid Redbubble suspension and answering the question, can you get your account back once this happens? This is a bit of a sad situation, mainly because people aren't even doing anything wrong and getting the account suspended. I feel like at this point in time, it's a bit of a glitch that's happening through Redbubble. I've noticed other people actually covered this to kind of put awareness onto this, so I'll link down in the description Jack Ingram so you can check out his video because he also covered this, telling you guys how he feels you guys can stay protected. But as for my side of things, I was looking through my channel, looking through the comments, and in yesterday's videos that I posted, I came across some comments like this. So at the top you can see there we have Amazing India. Amazing India said, beginners don't trust on Redbubble, it's a scam, suspended my account after uploading 400 designs, wasted a lot of my time and day and night, hard work sometimes, I never slept the whole night for my designs and they're not copyrighted. This is what I'm guessing they're trying to say. So this is someone obviously who's put a lot of time and work and they've just seen the account get closed out of nowhere. They're obviously demotivated, upset, and hopefully as we get through this video I can help them potentially set out a plan to get the account back. So hopefully we can help them out. Nevertheless, we've got MD Imros next up there saying, sir, yesterday my shop is suddenly suspended. So I'm guessing the shop suddenly got suspended by Redbubble for no reason. Why didn't they send me an email before they suspended my account? I don't use any copyright images or graphics. Why is my account suspended? I sent mail and tweet yesterday but no reply. And as you can see there's a conversation that went on with someone else that went through the same situation. And as you can see, there's the same situation. I also got suspended whilst uploading, sent mail on their website and also tweeted, but they haven't replied. And wow, it's getting crazy. Too many people are obviously experiencing this, as you guys can see there, and it gets crazier. We've got another person there saying my account got suspended. I had 400 plus designs, 300 plus sales, which is crazy. Just to give context, and now I don't know what to do. Please help. Don't worry, buddy. I'm going to do my very best in this video to help. PYGOD is saying pretty much, does anyone know if you still get your money if your account is closed or suspended? Now, I noticed a lot of people asking a similar question in the comments. So just to answer that, yes, for those people that have got any sales and then the account has got closed, you'll be paid for any sales you got before the account got suspended. And yeah, not to worry about that, the money will be received. And then next we've got B2K Diesel saying, I just created and uploaded one of these trending designs and bang, my account got suspended. I feel like this is mainly because of the Redbubble glitch that's going on where people's accounts are just getting taken down left, right and center. And then finally with AI Jour, they're saying a lot of people got their accounts suspended today, including me. Do you know about that? And I noticed that there was 37 replies to this comment of what I'm guessing people having similar situations or people trying to find out what's going on. And this was upvoted by 10 people, which shows that it's a serious problem. So I had to make this video just to pretty much talk about it and give you guys my take on what I feel is happening and what I feel that you guys can do to potentially protect yourself. Now, starting off, in terms of protecting yourself, I feel like at this moment in time, if you have any designs ready, just do not upload them for the next week to week and a half, unless you see Redbubble post anything saying, oh, we had this problem, we fixed it now. Do not post anything for the next week and a half till obviously Redbubble say something, because I feel like this is a glitch. It's obvious glitch. People are just uploading, for the most part, probably not copyrighted designs. You even saw someone saying there that they made sure that the designs that were uploading didn't have copyrighted text, images, or weren't covering any trademark, and they still got their shop taken down. So this is an obvious glitch. I personally feel like this is due to the fact that Redbubble have realized that there's things going wrong on their site. For example, the spam tagging, which I actually covered the other week, and I feel like they're now trying to find ways to fix that. And in trying to fix that, this has now led to people's shops getting taken down. Now, I don't know if all these people that have gotten their shops taken down had been using spammy tags. I hope not. If they were, that might be a reason as to why their shops got taken down. If they weren't, I'm pretty sure that Redbubble should be able to put something in place to allow these people to get their shops back. But I'll be going into that a little bit more in regards of what I feel you guys should do to try get your shops back if they have been closed. Like I'm saying, at this time, don't upload anything onto Redbubble. Create designs, and whilst creating designs, just make sure you're saving them, and then you can upload them to other sites, which I'll be going into in a minute. But in regards of those people that have had their accounts closed that are looking to get them back, what you need to pretty much do is make sure that you go on the contact us page, which looks a little bit like this. Now here I'm just showing you a screenshot, but I'm going to jump onto it in a second and pretty much walk you through what I feel you should do. This part here will allow you to obviously get in contact with Redbubble. Whilst this glitch is going on, I don't really feel like there'll be any replies at this point in time. So you want to keep emailing Redbubble every 2 to 3 days till someone does respond and gives you obviously the help you're looking for to allow your shop to be brought back. People have had shops given back that have been wrongfully taken down, and obviously with what's going on, a lot of shops have been wrongfully taken down, so Redbubble will be getting a lot of emails spammed at them. So this is something that you guys need to be doing for at least a week to 2 weeks till you get a response through someone that will actually help you. For anyone who doesn't know how to get onto that contact us page, what you do, you go on Redbubble, you scroll to the very bottom and you click on this option that says contact us. Once you're here, you want to click contact support now, and this is going to take you to another page. It's currently loading. Once you're here, you just want to click submit a request. As you see, it says they'll be in touch within 24 hours. That used to say 12 hours, but obviously they've been receiving a lot of emails recently, so things are going a little bit crazy. Now there's a lot of different options here. What I would suggest you go onto is I am an artist and I have a question, which I'll click on right now. And then once that opens up, you see something else here. Usually I just click on other, and then once you do that, you get a section that says your email address, current username, subject, description, and then attach photo. Now if you have any evidence to show that obviously you've not been using copyrighted images or trademark things, you can add any screenshots you have. And in terms of your shop, if you want to prove to them that you've been going about things the right way, you didn't even receive an email saying that you've done anything wrong, you can see, if you can look through your emails to see if you can find any evidence that you can attach there. And then in the description, you just want to give a quick description explaining how you've not done anything wrong on your shop. Now, for anyone who hasn't done anything wrong at all in the shops, they do actually review this. It takes a little bit of time, but they do actually review this, and there's a high chance you can get your shop back. Once again, if you make sure that you are messaging them consistently over the next couple of weeks, because over just this week, they're going to be getting a lot of emails from people that are going through the same thing. So you just need to be consistent and trying to contact them. So not every day, but every 2 to 3 days, to just give your emails a little bit of time for someone to see them. And then, yeah, you just need to fill in the other information, like I said, email address and username. I really feel like a lot of people don't know how to do this, and for those who do know how to do this, they're most likely just sending one email and giving up. Don't give up, stay consistent with this, especially if you're someone like some of the people that I saw that have over 400 designs, even over 300 sales, you can definitely get your shop back. If you did nothing wrong, there shouldn't be any reason that Redbubble should keep you off the platform. Now, so those who are wondering, what do I do then over this next 1.5 to 2 weeks? Well, I can't really upload designs because my shop could end up being closed. My opinion is to try other print on demand sites. Now, there's a lot of print on demand sites out there that you can upload designs to, that you can work with, but there's a few that I've used myself that I've seen similar success to what I've seen on Redbubble, and I feel like you can literally take the designs you already have and just re-upload them on those. And those 5 are KDP, Society 6, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, and TeePublic. Now, I've thrown TeePublic there, but TeePublic is a bit of a weird one at the moment, mainly because once you create your account, sometimes the designs may or may not show on the marketplace. Now, they say that you need to upload at least 25 plus designs before your images or your designs can show up on the marketplace, but it's a bit iffy. But I've edited it there because, you know, some people do have luck with getting their designs found and seen on TeePublic, so you can definitely try that. As for the other 4 that I've put in there, your designs will definitely get found by people, and there's definitely a chance of you guys getting sales if you're making sure that you're in the right niches and things like that. Also, let me know if you watched to this point of the video, which one of these sites you'd like me to kind of dive into a little bit more over the next sort of week to week and a half, whilst Redbubble is currently down. Let's say down, I mean, there's a glitch on the site, but let's just act as if Redbubble's down for the next week and a half, mainly because I do not want any of you guys, especially that watch my videos, posting there because your shops could be taken down. So if there's any of these sites that you have interest in, comment one of these sites down in the comment section, and I'll kind of look through the comments to see which ones you guys are talking about the most, and I'll go into that a little bit more in videos, breaking down how I feel you can post on that site easier, which kind of niches perform better on whatever site you guys choose. Nevertheless, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. Really try my best to kind of give you context on what's going on and what you need to do to stay protected. That is it for today's video, guys. Don't be too stressed over what's happening, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.